Use aluminum foil in your plants and thank me later. The first thing we need is a piece of aluminum foil and the plant we want to protect. Make sure the aluminum foil is large enough to cover the base of the plant. Take the aluminum foil and place it exactly where you will put the plant. Then, place the plant on top of the aluminum foil. Now carefully start shaping the aluminum foil using your hands, just as I'm showing on screen. Make sure the foil covers the entire base of the plant. When you're done, you'll see that the aluminum foil fits snugly, creating a firm base for the plant. Now your plant is protected, and mosquitoes won't come near it. Many people have problems with mosquitoes hovering around their plants. These small insects are not only annoying, but they can also damage the plants and make being in the garden or home less enjoyable. What we've done is create a natural and effective barrier using aluminum foil. This material reflects light and bothers mosquitoes, keeping them away from the plants.